Hello everyone, this is K. Harshita from AID branch. This is my Tech Talk video on DMS subject under the guidance of Putta Hemlata ma'am, Assistant Professor in Adi Shankara College. This Tech Talk video can help us to become a great communicator. Now I am going to explain about the graph theory. What are the types in graphs?
This is nothing but a simple pictorial view. Now I will explain each of it. I have 11 different types. In these, null graph, trivial graph, simple graph, multi-graph, non-directed graph, directed graph, connected graph, biparty graph, complete graph, regular graph, disconnected graph.
Null graph. The name itself having null means empty. The graph without edges is called null graph. The null graph of n vertices is denoted by n of n.
In this picture, we can see that there are 5 vertices named as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But there is no edges between these, so that we will consider it as a null graph.
Now the second one, trivial graph. A graph with only one vertex and no edges is called trivial graph.
In this picture, we can see that there is a vertex and there is no edges, so that we can say that it is a trivial graph.
Simple graph. A graph which has no self loop and parallel edges. Now the question arises in your mind is what is self loop? Self loop means edge whose the end vertex is identical. The identical part is called self loop. Now what is parallel edge? Parallel edge is having the two or more edges that incident to the same two vertices.
In this simple graph, there is no self loop and parallel edges. We will consider it as a simple graph.
Now the fourth one is multigraph. The graph with self loops and parallel edges is called multigraph.
In this picture, E1 is self loop and E2 and E3 are the parallel edges. So this is called multigraph.
Directed graph. Directed graph means edges with direction. Which shows the direction is called the directed graph.
In this picture, we can see that E1 have direction from vertex 1 to 2. So this is called as directed graph.
Non-directed graph. Whose edges having no direction. It means it won't show direction. It is called non-directed graph.
In this picture, the edge E1 has no direction. So we will call it as a non-directed graph. It is nothing but not showing direction is called non-directed graph.
Connected graph. There is a path between every pair of the vertices. In the graph, we can see the connection between the two graphs is called connected graph.
In this picture, we can see that there is a connection between the two graphs. So it is called as connected graph.
Disconnected graph. One or more nodes are unreachable from every pair of vertices is called disconnected graph.
In this picture, we can see that there is no edge between 1 and 4. So 1 is not reachable from 4. So it is called as disconnected graph.
Biparty graph, whose vertices can be divided into two disjoint and independent sets U and V, such that if the edges are connected, the edges in the U to V is called biparty graph. Complete graph. Every vertex is adjacent to every other vertex is called complete graph.
In this picture, we can see that every vertex is directly connected through other edges. So it is called as complete graph.
The last one is regular graph. Each vertex having same number of neighbors is called regular graph. The degree of each vertex is same, so that it is called as regular graph.
In this picture, we can see that every edge is having the same number, so it is called as regular graph. The neighbors of the graph is 3.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.